solid 5 horses coming through. Cream leather, so buttery. Seats breathe hot and cold. Tri-zone climate, bows knocking. Every beat pure gold. Double espresso DTS, riding smooth and low. Northstar purring like it's 2008 on the radio. Heated when it's winter, cold seats in July. Cadillac style never dies. Baby, we too fly. Double espresso DTS, cream on the inside. 136 looking brand new on this island ride. Turn the key, feel the luxury, let the good times roll. This caddy's got that big body, so pull up to the drive-thru. They all stop and stare. Seats cooler than the ocean breeze blowing through your hair. Both sub hitting neo, windows tinted, dark and deep. Every mile in this DTS feels like money never sleeps. Double espresso DTS, Northstar heartbeat thumping. Cream leather hugging me while the big rims bumping. 38 records prouder than a peacock in the spring. 2008 car, it wants its swagger king. Heated steering wheel in the winter, cooled seats in the heat. Tri-zone blowing perfect, every passenger feeling elite. Only 36,000 kisses on this Cadillac smile. Slide in, close the door, stay a long while. Double espresso DTS, pour another round. Finest luxury sedan that the island ever found. Cream leather, Northstar, thunderbolt singing sweet. 2008 never felt so good underneath my feet. Double espresso DTS, yeah, the dream's still alive. Talk to Adam, grab the keys. Let's take this caddy for a ride. Cream on top, Cadillac love don't stop. DTS, yeah, we good to go. Yeah, pull up real slow. Double espresso, baby. Let's go. She's a 2008 Cadillac, deep double espresso brown. Chrome grinning in the sun when I roll through Nanaimo town. Oh, only 36 on the clock, 38 records clean and true. Northstar 4.6 V8, twice sovereign 5 horses coming through. Cream leather, so buttery, seats breathe hot and cold. Tri-zone climate, bows knocking, every beat pure gold. Double espresso DTS, riding smooth and low. Northstar purring like it's 2008 on the radio. Heated when it's winter, cool seats in July. Cadillac style never dies, baby, we too fly. Double espresso DTS, cream on the inside. 136 looking brand new on this island ride. Turn the key, feel the luxury, let the good times roll. This caddy's got that big body, so pull up to the drive-thru, they all stop and stare. Seats cooler than the ocean breeze blowing through your hair. Both sub hitting neo, windows tinted, dark and deep. Every mile in this DTS feels like money never sleeps. Double espresso DTS, Northstar heartbeat thumping. Cream leather hugging me while the big rims bumping. 30 records prouder than a every passenger feeling elite. Only 36,000 kisses on this Cadillac smile. Slide in, close the door, stay a long, long while. Double espresso DTS.